Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to move your Steam games to a new location. This process is straightforward and uses Steam's built-in tools. First, open your Steam client and find the game you want to move in your library. Right-click on the game and choose Properties. Then, navigate to the Installed Files tab. This is where we begin the relocation process, ensuring your game data is managed efficiently. Before moving a game, you need a destination. Go to Steam Settings, then select the Storage tab. Here, you will see your current Steam library folders. Click the plus icon to add a new folder on a different drive or partition. Choose the drive and create a new, empty folder for your games. This new folder will become a valid Steam library location. Now, back in the game's Installed Files Properties, click the Move Install Folder button. A small window will pop up, displaying all your established Steam library folders. Simply select the new library folder you just created as the target destination. Confirm your selection, and Steam will automatically begin transferring all the game's files. The time taken depends on the game's size and your drive speed. Once the transfer is complete, Steam will confirm the game is now in its new home. You can always double-check the new installation path within the game's properties. This official method guarantees that your game remains fully functional and updated. Moving games helps manage storage across multiple drives, improving system performance and organization. Enjoy your relocated game without any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.